Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to create interactive buttons using Flash, Adobe Flash. So first of all, here's an example first. So basically when you roll over an image, this one's about football players, they will show you some stats. So today I'm going to make an example of like an online shoe catalog. But first of all, when you open Flash, you choose ActionScript 2.0. Alright, so this is where you're going to create your Flash. And as I said, we're going to create for an example, an online shoe catalog. So here's a few pictures of some shoes. So we drag them in. And obviously these are a bit big, so we're going to change the scale. Maybe 150. And this one would also be 150. Now we're going to align them together. And there you go. Now, to be able to interact with these images, we will have to convert them into a symbol. So you click on the image, you click modify, modify, convert to symbol, and you choose button, right? So let's just say shoe 1. And as you can see, once you have converted it into a symbol, there's this blue border around it. So it tells you that you've converted this image into a symbol, unlike these ones which have gray borders. Alright, so we're also going to change this, convert to symbol, and shoe 2. And you do this for all your images, depending how many you have. Shoe 3. Alright, and this Flash is kind of big, so we're going to edit the size of this Flash file, which is maybe 300 would be big enough. Yep, perfect. Alright, so now to create this button to actually interact with you, you'll need to double click into its timeline here. And here, as you see, there's the up, over, down, and hit. All these states represent different things. So up is when no one is interacting with this button and what you will see. So right now you will see this black shoe and these other shoes. And over is when someone clicks on, their mouse rolls over the image, what you will see, like the text and image. Down is when you click onto the image. And hit is like the boundary, the outline of the image. So it's basically the boundaries of where you're allowed to, where the animation will still take effect when you click onto it. So this whole part is, if you click anywhere inside this box, it will still have the animation. So now we're going to, because we want to keep this image here no matter what you do with the Flash, so we're going to have insert keyframe. And inserting a keyframe is basically taking the graphic from the previous frame and copying it over. And because we want to have the same graphic at any state of time, we insert keyframes. And hit, so we want the same boundaries, like where you click onto the button. Alright, now to put content into this image, like when you roll over it or click on it, you create a new layer, just like in Photoshop. And in the over state, you right click and insert a blank keyframe. And now here you want to add text, or maybe you have an image you want to show. But in this situation, we're going to add text to give like a brief description. So let's say football shoe, and then maybe $500. Alright. So now, basically, when someone rolls over this image, you will see this football shoe $500 text appear. And because we don't have anything else to add for down, we're just gonna insert a blank keyframe for hit. And whenever it's when you roll over it, and if you press on it, it will both. If you roll over it, if you're clicking on the button, you're basically over it, so it will show the same text. And when no one is interacting with it, this is what you'll see. So now we can give it a try to see if it works. We go back to scene 1. And then we go to Controls, Enable Simple Buttons. And now when we roll over it, you see the football shoe, $500. Now you'll just repeat the same process over and over for each of your image. And why not give it a try? But obviously, you don't have to follow the same. You don't have to follow the same actions I did for like the over and down stick, because obviously everyone uses this. Creates these buttons for different reasons. So just play around with it and give it a try. Thank you.